Hey guys, welcome back to the channel that teaches you how to make Procreate brushes that you can make yourself. Today we have another requested brush, this one from Byzantine Taping, who asked for a Gothic calligraphy brush. And that's exactly what we're making. It's a calligraphy brush that mimics ye olden style of lettering. It's great for creating postmodern word or statement art. I'll teach you how to create the brush from scratch and which settings to tweak to achieve your desired effect. So, let's get started and make this brush. Start with a square canvas, with the background set to pure black. With our taper brush, with the Apple Pencil pressure set at 70%, let's draw with pure white to create our brush shape. Start with light pressure down here on the lower left corner, and press down as you draw to the upper right corner. You should have something that looks like this. And that's our brush! Simple, no? Let's copy this shape by swiping down with 3 fingers and choosing Copy All. Now let's start creating our brush by choosing a brush library and tapping the plus sign to make a new brush. In Stroke Path, set Stroke Property Spacing to None. In Shape, tap on Edit beside Shape Source, tap Import, and choose Paste. Tap None twice to save selection. In Rendering, make sure Rendering Mode is set to Intense Glaze. Now you have a basic Gothic calligraphy brush that you can already use for your lettering projects. Now let's change a few settings to truly make this a calligraphy brush. Let's add some stabilization by setting your streamline amount and pressure to 70%, your stabilization amount to 50%, and your motion filtering amount and expression to 20%. Feel free to play around with these settings to achieve your desired stabilization effect. Now let's head over to Apple Pencil to create even more variations. Set your pressure size to max to get size variations with your stroke depending on your pencil pressure. Right now, the pressure opacity is set to max, so you can turn that all the way down to get rid of that. And there we go, a classic and easy to create Gothic calligraphy brush that's sure to add another creative tool to your art arsenal. If you enjoyed this tutorial, let me know by leaving a comment or liking this video. I really appreciate it. Consider subscribing and getting notified for future brush tutorials. Thank you so much for all the support, and until next time, take care, and I'll see you then. Bye!